Oh my god. Oh my god. We're going to this one now. See, this one is the little golden one.
Doesn't taste like slime.
Really?
Come on. Okay, this sprinkle obviously don't want to come out of the...
a teeny weeny bit.
No!
So the flavors will smell delicious.
Look.
It smells like apple.
Doesn't... And here's another one we mixed. Yep. And... it's just gold flakes inside a gold slime. And... it's just... what my brother is.
Slime?
No,
Golden?
gold. And gold is precious.
Not what you would normally say.
Well, it's what I normally say.
No, you don't.
Okay, I have to go outside and unlock the gate.
La-di-da-di-da. Okay, just wait. Here's another one we mixed.
Baby bits.
Oh, it smells like buttered popcorn.
Smells like your face.
It smells like that.
one?
Yeah.
Don't mix anything in it. And don't ruin it. I like that one.
It smells like that amazing buttered popcorn.
It's actually cake flavored. That one's not open. Thomas, that one's not open.
Not opened.
Is this one open?
No. Because we haven't opened the pineapple or the other one.
Here, you can smell it through the camera, right?
Grandma will get mad if you open them. It's kind of...
Oh, it smells so good.
I need these.
They're my brothers. We're just doing them because we're doing them.
smell like...
I need a little bit of yours.
And I need to find another one we made. Oh, here's another one we made. No, it's not possible.
Look how pretty this color
I'm
is.
so used to that golden one.
Look how pretty.
I added a bit too much golden flakes, but this one's good, right? What?
Ooh, you should get a little bit more.
It's this
of each.
It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 things of Squishmallow slime. You're saying it's not Squishmallow slime? What's this then? Oh wait. Look, it came in the package. There's your proof. Squishmallow slime. Get out of there.
Hey, guys, here to spray.
I'm so used to that golden flaky one. This just feels like... it smells like raw bacon. They're supposed to be scented. I mean...
Okay, and when Thomas is done with those, you guys are done with them, okay?
Wait.
Okay?
Okay.
I was just watching the guy. He's just getting
Some of the
up there.
slime got up my nose.
No, Jay.
So the slime I got a huge boogie.
He put the slime in his nose.
Look, a ball. It's behind that cushion. Or it's right there. The white one.
Anyway, get out. Get out. Okay, we'll be right back. Okay, we got him.
My little pony.
Get him.
I wonder what friendship could be. My little pony. Do you all share its web quickly? Take adventure, tons of fun. Beautiful hearts and floating strong. Sharing kindness is an easy feat. And magic
Some of the slime got in my eye.
Skinny and blue.
All my very best
Ow.
friends.
How old do you think
The
I
new My Little
am?
Pony sucks.
It does?
Yes.
Oh,
Oh, not the purple. That one's my favorite because it's nice.
It smells like the buttered popcorn jelly bean.
Nobody wants to see you.
What?
Ew, wasn't that in your nose?
Yep.
Oh.
Yep.
All the thrill of the double light.
Oh, the thrill of double life.
How is this thing just stuck together?
This is.
Shayla, they're stuck together. Not in a
Whoopsies.
Anna.
I took a little bit. It was only a tiny baby bit.
What color does it have? And what flavor does it smell like?
Wait, why don't you put the head in it?
No, because you'll get stuck in it. Look, get ready to shoot. Or, wait. I'm going to turn them into worms and turn them into a candy cane.
Ouchie.
I'm going to turn it into a candy cane.
No
Worms.
food.
Okay.
She can have this.
No, she can't.
Oh wait, she's 4 years old.
Look.
She's only 3. She's only 2 years old. She can't have this.
Pretty. Look how pretty.
That's not showing.
What's not showing?
Your face.
Why don't you wanna see this one?
I already showed that one. Did I?
Did he? Tell me, guys.
What?
Tell me, guess.
Tell me.
I'm taking this one back out.
Ow.
Ball. No.
No.
What is the one that I found?
No.
Why is that the bottom?
No.
She's gonna mix some.
No. A tiny bit just mixed. A tiny bit just mixed. Oh no, it's the end of the world. The end is near.
Is that the purple on this?
The end is near.
I'm gonna make these into like chocolate cakes. Smell it.
Ouchie.
You smell not taste.
That's right. You smell it. Ew, you sicko, gross. You gross boy, man, person.
You want to see that?
Ew.
Now I'm reviewing the ingredient. Now I'm reviewing the ingredients. So first you get your slime, then you mix ingredients, which I already have in, and then you get this.
Sup?
Then you get this, and
I will eat you.
that's not him. And you put
I'll eat your face.
and you put the axolotl
Give me your
in.
souls so I can have my job back.
You don't have a job.
Do you have any games on your phone?
No. No, I just have YouTube.
Wait, he drives. It's a purple soul. It matches his coat. Look, this looks like his coat.
Wow.
It's just a shade brighter. Not that
Of his
shade.
coat or the slime?
Really that shade, but
And
not
then
that
you
shade.
get the gold slime. Take it out and get poked by the pokey thingies.
That worked.
And you get the kibby.
Worm.
Stick it
worm.
in.
Oh, it missed.
And boom, you put the lid on
Worm.
and put it away. I'm sniffing. I like sniffing it.
No, don't stop it. It's funny.
What?
Orange apples.
I
Wait, what does it taste like?
orange.
Here, hold on.
No, I am not eating that.
I don't think you got it on camera. I think it was on the camera.
Okay, it's on camera now. No. It just got in my mouth.
Ew, no, I like that one.
Oh.
Really? You're really unfunny.
Pearl.
Put
Here.
them in your mouth.
No.
In my nose.
Oh, here you go.
I don't want that.
Oh, it's bouncy. Hold on, watch. It's bouncy. Oh, no, it isn't.
It's bounceable.
Ouchie.
Guess what, Thomas?
Okay, I think it's time to say goodbye.
Bark.
What?
Ew.
Goodbye.